Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to try something that I failed at about 7 or 8 years ago, and that was using char cloth as a filler for a cotton fire roll. I've been trying it lately and it's very easy to make it ignite, and I just wanted to show that to you. Let's use a half a cotton ball. We'll go ahead and make 2 fire rolls at the same time. Let's do about 10 preheats. That's 10 forward rolls just to get it good and hot before I start going for the emmer. And we have an easy ignition. Let's go ahead. Maybe you can see it with the dark background right here. Let's go ahead and ignite the other one. Then we'll give you some close-ups of these ignited fire rolls. Now let me show you that they're both strong enough to make their own flaming tinder bundle. Now of course you'd already have your tinder bundle processed up, but this is just a little extra challenge for me. It's the way I like to do it. Let me remind you now, before you leave my channel, please subscribe, click the notifications bell, and in that drop down list, select all. And please give this video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.